Have you been wondering, what is pink pepper essential oil good for, and how do you use pink pepper? Is it related to black pepper? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer those questions and share some fun facts about this beautiful essential oil called pink pepper. I'm Mandy Sommers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the last 10 years, and I'm really excited to share with you all about this awesome essential oil. Now, if you stick around to the end, you will have the chance to access my Essential Oils Made Easy class and grab a copy of my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I jump into this video though, I always love to hear from my community. How do you like to use this particular essential oil? Go ahead and put it in the comments below. Native to South America, the pink peppercorn tree has tiny red or pink berries that are distilled to an essential oil. Pink pepper is calming and has a pleasantly spicy and fruity aroma popular in the perfume industry. Pink pepper essential oil comes from the berries of the pink pepper or molly tree. It's a very fragrant evergreen native to Peru and other parts of South American tree. It's a popular ingredient in fine perfumes, and pink pepper oil is known for its ability to really help relax the nervous system. When you take this oil internally, it supports healthy metabolism and a healthy immune system response. The pink pepper tree was considered a sacred tree by the Incas. It's very drought hardy, and it has this aromatic scent to it, to the berries, to the bark, to the leaves, all of which are used and have been used in herbal solutions to support health needs. Despite its name, pink pepper is not actually related to the common black pepper. It's actually part of the same family as a cashew tree. Pink pepper essential oil can be taken internally to support healthy metabolism, immunity, and digestion, and to help support healthy blood sugar and cholesterol levels that are already in the normal range. So emotionally, pink pepper is very relaxing. And so when you like to use this emotionally, I recommend doing this aromatically to really help support your mood. The calming influence that you feel when you inhale this oil is due to the limonene and the philandrine. Sorry, I always say that wrong. Two of the main chemical components of this oil. doTERRA's pink pepper is sourced from Kenya through our co-impact sourcing program, which provides economic opportunity and fair pricing to small-scale farmers and harvesters. doTERRA's pink pepper oil is wild harvested from two different countries, Kenya and Peru. The molly or pink peppercorn tree is indigenous to Peru, but British colonists also brought the trees with them to Kenya. So here are 5 usage tips for pink pepper. Number 1. You can combine 2 drops with doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil for a very soothing massage. Number 2, add a few drops to a veggie capsule and take this internally to help calm and soothe the nervous system. Number 3, you can simply inhale this or diffuse this to promote feelings of alertness. Number 4, blend this with a citrus or a floral oil to create an invigorating aroma. Number 5, you can add 2 drops to a glass of water to help support healthy immune function. Okay, so pink pepper works well with frankincense and clary sage, eucalyptus, lavender, spearmint, and patchouli, which we have videos for all of those oils that you can find in the description and somewhere up here. So here are some fun facts about pink pepper oil. Ancient Incas used the oil from the feather-like leaves of the peppercorn tree in early mummification techniques. The pink peppercorn tree is a fast-growing evergreen tree that can grow up to 45 feet tall and 45 feet wide, making it the largest of its species. The fruit grows in thick clusters with hundreds of berries. And aside from the berries, the bark, the leaf, they're all highly aromatic when they are crushed. To purchase pink pepper or one of my starter kits, go ahead and click the description below. You'll be able to find those and some of those other oils that I mentioned as well. Now, if you liked this content, please give this video a thumbs up to let YouTube know that this is good content. Hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, if you are looking for essential oils at 25% off, or you would like a wellness consult, I would love to help you get started. And you can find my information in the link below. I am here to help support you on your wellness journey. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.